Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to convert 380 mm Hg to ATM? Correct answer is to convert 380 mm Hg to ATM, we can use the conversion factor that 1 ATM is equal to 760 mm Hg. First, set up the conversion factor as follows. Frac 380 text mm Hg 1 times frac 1 text ATM 760 text mm Hg. Calculating this, we get frac 380 760 text ATM equals 0 cents 5 text ATM. Therefore, 380 mm Hg is equivalent to 0 cents 5 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.